हाय एवरीवन, डॉक्टर स्वप्ना मिश्रा अगेन। एंड आज का हमारा टॉपिक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है टू डिस्कस अबाउट द हॉलीडेज ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी। प्रेगनेंसी के दौरान क्या आपने छुट्टियां लेनी चाहिए, क्या आपको ट्रैवल करना चाहिए, और अगर ट्रैवल करना है तो किन महीनों में करना चाहिए। Naturally, I am also traveling. I am at the Queen of the Hill, Shimla, and I really want all of you who are pregnant to enjoy the weather, enjoy the place, but only after you know whether you are safe or not. So, when to travel in pregnancy? You should not travel in the first 3 months and the last 3 months of pregnancy. First 12 weeks of pregnancy, when the baby is getting implanted inside the uterus, traveling is the stress to the body. Any traveling, any jerk to the body can lead to miscarriage. आपका miscarriage हो सकता है। Last 3 months of pregnancy में again traveling contraindicated है, because आपके labor pain शुरू हो सकते हैं, आपको कोई ना कोई complications हो सकती है, premature pains हो सकते हैं, जिसकी वजह से ये problem आ सकती है। Now the most important part is कब आपने travel करना चाहिए और which are the times which are safe for the air travel. So अगर आपने एयर ट्रेवल करना है, so from the first day of the pregnancy till 36 weeks of pregnancy is absolutely safe for domestic travel. But definitely अगर आपको international travel करना है, international vacations करने हैं, so beyond 32 weeks is absolutely not safe to travel. So, but whenever you make such plans or whenever you make such bookings, do not go by my words. Please talk to your doctor. Take the clearance from her. You could be having other complicating factors जिसमें traveling contraindicated है. Now let's come to the factors जिसमें आप ट्रैवलिंग नहीं कर सकते हो, चाहे आप सेफ जोन पे हो या अनसेफ जोन पे हो। So what are those factors? अगर आपके प्रीवियस मल्टीपल मिसकैरेज हो चुका है, अगर आपका ये हाई रिस्क प्रेगनेंसी में आता है, जैसे कि आपको प्रेगनेंसी के दौरान हाई ब्लड प्रेशर की प्रॉब्लम है, आपको प्रेगनेंसी के दौरान डायबिटीज़ की प्रॉब्लम है, या प्रेगनेंसी के दौरान आपको ये ब्लीडिंग होने की इश्यूज है, अगर आपको ट्विन या ट्रिपलेट प्रेगनेंसी या मल्टीपल प्रेगनेंसी है, तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन नॉट ट्रैवल। सिमिलरली अगर आपको प्रीवियस हिस्ट्री में प्रीमेच्योर डिलीवरी हो चुकी है या आपको मैकडोनाल्ड स्टिच लगा है जिसकी वजह से यू हैव बीन एडवाइज बेड रेस्ट, यू कैन नॉट ट्रैवल। So these are the factors which you have to consider whenever you need to travel during pregnancy. Always remember, pregnancy with traveling cannot be lot of moving around. It should be traveling from one place to another safely without lot of jerks, and rather chilling in that place and resting rather than moving from place to place. So always remember to carry the right amount of loose clothes, wear the right type of shoes. It should be very loose and comfortable shoe. Wear the right clothing which is needed for that particular environment, and do carry all your medications with you. You should carry your doctor's number with you, and always learn to contact a local hospital or doctor whenever you reach any such place, so that in case you land up with any complication, there is a doctor near you who can guide you. So girls and all those ladies who are pregnant now, don't make your pregnancy to be a time where you cannot travel. You can travel, you can enjoy places during your the whole 9 months of pregnancy, but do remember to take all the precautions. So all the best to all of you, and I hope you all have a happy and safe journey in future. Bye for now.